On the 9th of August 2024, an FIR was filed by Deibormi Mukhim and Shadap, who claimed they were abducted on the 8th of August 2024. Their truck parked at Mawryngkneng bypass was approached by 4 armed men who allegedly forced them into an unregistered Alto 800 and held them overnight. They were released the next morning. Investigations revealed that the victims had planned to unload their goods and transfer them to another truck bearing registration number ML05T3858. The stolen TMT bars worth rupees 9.5 to 10 lakhs were recovered from Mawryngkneng and Jongsha villages. The missing truck was found in Mukhla village and the truck used in the crime was seized in Banyun, Upper Shillong. 4 individuals, including Mukhim and Shadap, have been arrested in this connection. The investigation is ongoing.
On 9 August, a written FIR was received from Deibormi Mukhim and Sri Robert Shadap to the effect that on 8 August, while their vehicle bearing registration NL01K6051 loaded with TMT bars was parked at Mawryngkneng bypass, 4 unknown persons armed with knife and came to their vehicle and dragged them out. That it has happened about 8:50 p.m. Dragged them forcefully them inside one Alto vehicle which does not have any registration number. Both persons, along with another driver of a truck bearing registration ML05T3858, were detained the whole night and they were only released in the morning the next day, that is on the 9th August at Penursla area. Thereby, they reported to OC Penursla, and since the incident is happened in Mawryngkneng, they were directed to appear before OC Mawryngkneng. On receipt of the information, the OC of Mawryngkneng has endorsed the case to his officers. Investigation was initiated. However, during the course of investigation, it was found that Sri Deibormi Mukhim and Sri Robert Shadap had pre-arranged to unload the consignments at Pomura and thereafter loaded the materials into another truck bearing registration ML05T3858. The stolen consignments were recovered from Mawryngkneng and Jongsha village, and a total number of seized recovered TMT bars is about 18.5 tons, amounting to 9.5 or 10 lakhs. Furthermore, the truck bearing registration NL01K6051, which was reported missing, was recovered from Mukhla village under West Jand Hills, and the truck bearing registration ML05T3858, which was utilized for the commission of crime, was seized from 7 Mile, Banyun, Upper Shillong. Accordingly, in this connection, a criminal case under Mawryngkneng PS was registered, and all the 4 persons was arrested yesterday. They were produced in the court, and right now they have been remanded to judicial custody. The investigation of the case is in progress to ascertain the facts and circumstances. Absolutely, it's true. It's pre-planned by this Mr. Deibormi Mukhim and Robert Shadap. It's a pre-plan. So as of now, as per the statements of the accused, only 4 of them. Only 4 of them, so all of them were arrested.
The ICFA University Meghalaya Admission Open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education. MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further informations and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057, 94851 58603, 700 505 7728, 8794 250646.